For a long time, the earth was a symphony of motion and sound, a celestial body that only moved and sang through the vast emptiness of space. The winds whispered across barren lands, the oceans churned with a primal rhythm, and volcanoes hummed with the planet's inner fire. It was a beautiful, mindless dance. But then, deep within its core, a flicker, a subtle shift occurred. A new energy began to stir, and something inside the earth began to wonder, why? Why the endless turning? Why the silent song? A question mark bloomed in the heart of existence. Beneath the vast, shimmering surface of the primordial sea, eyes opened for the very first time, blinking against the filtered sunlight. What were once just fleeting, random shapes in the water now began to hold meaning, to etch themselves into the fabric of a nascent mind. These shapes became memories. The crashing of a wave was no longer just a sound, but an event to be recalled. The shadow of a rock was not just darkness, but a place. The world, through these first simple eyes, began to recognize itself. It wasn't just land or sea or air anymore. It was a single, interconnected entity, pulsing with a newfound awareness. It was, for the first time, truly and consciously alive. This nascent consciousness, this planetary mind, began to stretch its newfound abilities. It imagined itself dreaming, a concept utterly alien to the raw instinct that had governed it for eons. In this dream, thought learned to wander, to drift away from the immediate needs of survival. It explored possibilities that didn't yet exist. It questioned the stars above and the darkness below. From this exploration, this untethered journey of the mind, a powerful new force was born into the universe: curiosity. It was the desire to know, not just to be. And in that singular, transcendent moment of pure curiosity, a profound realization echoed across the cosmos. The planet, this small blue dot, was not just an observer, but a part of what it was observing. The universe, through the eyes of the earth, finally became aware that it was watching itself. The dancer and the dance became one. Consciousness wasn't just on the earth. It was the earth, looking back at the stars from which it came. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the mind of our planet. If this exploration of consciousness resonated with you, I'd be so grateful if you'd like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us ask more big questions. We'll see you in the next one.